Okay, so this is the At Games Sega Megadrive Arcade Ultimate Portable versus my Gameboy Zero, which I've actually made. It's not finished, obviously. I've only got like a temporary volume control stuck on the back there. It does need a proper one there, and the battery pack's still separate, but I just thought I'd do an interesting comparison here because the sound isn't brilliant on this on the Game Boy for the simple reason that the Raspberry Pi Zero doesn't have an analog output, so you have to use basically one of the GPIO pins for pulse width modulation output, which isn't ideal, but yeah, it's a interesting thing because if I turn the volume up here at about a listener level, you hear there's quite a bit of hiss there. I would say this isn't really noticeable during the gameplay, but it's not really a big problem though because I'm going to show you something about the. First of all, I'm going to play. I'm going to put Sonic the Hedgehog from At Games on. I'm just going to show you something interesting, or if you listen carefully, you'll notice something very interesting about the sound. Right. Okay. So yeah, this is an official Sega system as well. So let's just. I'm just going to start the Sonic the Hedgehog on the Game Boy Zero. I'm just going to put the volume up here. So it's about halfway there. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that's quite a difference, really, isn't it? Hmm.